I'm going to teach you how to make any shape you want appear on your fabric using tie-dye. For instance, in this example, I have this saw edge shape appearing, and I have another example that I have these flower-like stars appearing too. But you really can make any shape you want. For that, all you need is shapes to use as resists. Any circular jar lids will make awesome circles, but you can also get rubber flooring. You can get at any construction material store. You can cut it with an Exacto knife and transform it into any shape you desire. Stars, arts, waves, you think about it. So I'm going to demonstrate with the circular ones. So you pretty much all you have to do is to fold your fabric, and you want to think about the size of your shape when you're folding. For instance, I'm doing it with these circles, so I want my folds to be almost the size of my circle, but they can't be smaller because my circle needs to fit in them. So I'm going to fold my fabric in thirds using the accordion fold technique, and when I place my circling in it, I can see that actually fits, but it might be a little loose in it. So I'm going to go back and I might fold it into 4 creases, and I think will be a better fit. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. So after that, you want to fold it the other direction, also accordion fold as many times as your circle can fit. So I fold the first one, and again I double check if this is a good fit for my circle, and it is. Maybe I'll adjust it a little bit. And then you just keep folding back and forth as any other folding technique. The last one. And then this is where the magic happens. Using any shape you want, I'm going to sandwich it between the shapes that you've chosen. So I chose the circles. I'm going to place one circle in the front, one circle in the back, and I'm going to fill it out and make sure that the two shapes are pretty well aligned, so that one is not like hanging here and the one hanging there. You want them to be exactly in the same place, and you can feel it with your fingers too. And then using any sorts of clamps, I like these ones, even though they're sometimes a little bit hard to open, but they like put a lot of pressure on it, so it's pretty good. You want to make sure that you clamp the shapes in place so they can't go anywhere. And this is all. You dunk it on your dye bath, and what will happen is that in each fold, the circle will make a resist. In each case, I used a shape as a resist that was the saw edge kind of shape, and it was again folded like this, the accordion fold, and then in this one, I just folded it in half because it was a smaller one, and I put a saw edge shape in one side, saw edge shape on the other side, and what happens is that it multiplies for as many layers as you have. So it's just like that, and you can make any shapes you want. So I'm going to dunk it in my dye bath that we just prepared by mixing some dye with a dye activator, and after 1 hour I can rinse it and see the results. And this is how you can tie dye using shapes.